Hello everybody, welcome to data visualization with Python laboratory video series. So in this video we are going to see about the ability enhancement course program number 3, that is to find the Fibonacci number. Let us see the question, then we'll proceed. So here is the syllabus. The program number 2a says that define a function f as f of n is equal to f of n minus 1 plus f of n minus 2. So here n value should be greater than 0. Okay. So here we have to find the Fibonacci number of a given number, and that number should be greater than 0. If the number is less than 0, we should display an error message. Let me take example, say n is equal to 5. What is the Fibonacci series of 5? 0, 1. These two are constant, 0 and 1. If you add 0 plus 1, the third number will be addition of this, sum of these previous two numbers, that is 1. The next number will be addition of these two. 1 plus 1 is 2, and the next number is 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Now here, if you count this, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the Fibonacci series of 5. And from this, what output we want is, we don't want the series. We want the last number, that is the Fibonacci number of 5. That is 3. 3 is, we should get the output 3. Done. So how it is? F of n is equal to f of n minus 1 plus f of n minus 2. What is f of n? F of n is 5 and minus n minus 1. The Fibonacci of n minus 1, that is Fibonacci of n minus 1 is 2 plus the Fibonacci of n minus 1 is 1, n minus 2 is 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So this answer we want. Let me take one more example. If I take 10, if I take n is equal to 10, the output should be, I should get 34. How it is? So let me write the Fibonacci series of 10. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, then 21 plus 13 is 34. Now let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this output we want, that is the output of previous two, that is f of n minus 1 and n minus 2. 21 plus 13, that is 34 we should get. Let us see how to get this output. I'll open the Jupyter notebook. Okay, the question says that read n, and that n should be greater than 0. Correct? N is equal to int input, enter the number. That. Next, I'll check the condition if n is greater than 0 or not. If n greater than I'll say n less than or equal to 0, what I should display? And I'll display one message, n should be greater than 0. Print if n is less than or equal to 0, I'll print error, n must be greater than 0. N must be greater than 0. Else I should find the Fibonacci number. Correct? So I will call the function, say fib of n. So I'm calling the and passing the value n. I'll write the Fibonacci. I'll write the Fibonacci definition here. Fibonacci number function, that is the def and the name of the function fib, and I'll use one formal parameter to store my actual value. Now I have to write the base condition here. Correct? Because I'm going to use, because repeatedly I have to calculate, right? I'm going to use a recursive function. So base condition for that is when to stop my function calling itself. if n value is equal to 1, then what I'll tell is return 0. I'll say return 0. Else one more condition I'll use. If n is equal to 2, at that time I'll return 1, I'll stop. Okay, return 1, I'll stop. Okay, else what I'll do is I'll return fib of n minus 1 plus fib of n minus 2. Okay, so student, this is recursive call. The function calling itself, and each time it will subtract the value, and it will check whether it is equal to 1 or not, it is equal to 2 or not. If not, it will push the value into stack. Again it will reduce the value, and it will check the condition. When the base condition met, it will stop and take the values from the stack, and it will return that value. Now where it will return? To the called function. Where we are calling here. I have to store somewhere, right? I'll use one variable called result to store the return value. Okay, then I'll print that. I'll print here, print, I'll use the formatted string. So F, that indicate the formatted string, double quotes, I'll use one message the. So within the curly braces you have to write the variable name. This is the placeholder, curly braces, and the variable name. The nth Fibonacci number. The nth Fibonacci number is where it is. It is there in our result. I'll use it for placeholder. Then I'll use a variable name result. I'll close this. Done. So that's it. Let us see the output. I'll execute this. It is asking me enter the number. I'll enter 10. I should get 34. Now see here, the 10th Fibonacci number is 34. If I give 5, I should get 3. The 5th Fibonacci number is 3. Thank you so much.